Hello there, I'm a member of the training team, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Visits Left report. Your practice needs a way to see how many patients' care plans are about to expire. We provide the Visits Left report in our system to help you identify and further study care plans that are about to expire. This report allows you to see the time frame that several care plans will run out, so that your practice can make any needed preparations. The Visits Left report shows you how many visits are left on a care plan, along with other useful data. To open this report, click on Reports, then Practice, then Care Plans, then Visits Left. Take a look at the column headings at the top of the page to see what this report shows you. The Account column shows the patient's account number. The last and first columns show the patient's first and last name. This column shows the care plan's name. The Specialty column shows the specialty code of the practitioner that is treating the patient as part of the care plan. If the patient is being treated by multiple practitioners, then this column will display all of their specialty codes. These two columns show the total number of insurance visits on the care plan and the amount of insurance visits left on the care plan. The next two columns display the total amount of cash visits on the care plan and the amount of cash visits left on the care plan. The Free Visits column shows the total amount of free visits on the care plan, and the Free Visits Left column shows the total amount of free visits left on the care plan. The Total Visits and the Total Visits Left column shows the total amount of visits on the care plan and the total amount of visits left on the care plan. The Date Range column shows the start date and end date of the care plan. The Is Discharged column tells you if the patient that the care plan belongs to is discharged. It will read yes or no depending on whether or not the patient is discharged. There is a drop-down at the bottom of the page where you can select whether you want the report to look at active care plans only, inactive care plans only, or both. If you want the report to look at both, then click on All. Once you have made your selection, then click on the Search button. The data will appear in the center of the page. If you click on any of the blue hyperlink text under the Account, Last, First, Care Plan Name, or Specialty column, the patient account for that person will open up in a new window. You can sort and filter the columns in this report to help you find patient care plans easier. To sort the columns in this report, click on the column headings and the column will be sorted in ascending or descending order. For example, to make it easier to find a certain patient, you can click on the first or last name column to sort it alphabetically. Notice the direction of the small triangle when you click on the column heading. You can filter the report by typing in the data you are looking for in the fields under the column headings. Most of our reports can be filtered with greater than or lesser than signs to help you find useful information. For example, say that you wanted to find patients with less than 3 visits left. Think of your problem as a simple math formula. N equals the number of patients with less than 3 visits left. So N is less than 3. Now you will not enter the N into our system. In the Total Visits Left column, you'll enter less than 3 in the field below the column heading and press Enter. The report will then filter for all patients with less than 3 visits left. Please note, make sure you leave a space between the 3 and the less than sign or the report will not filter the data. Delete the data to return the report to its previous unfiltered state. You can also filter for an exact number. Just be aware that filtering for numbers 0 to 9 will show any number that has a digit in it. For example, filtering for 5 will show you 5, 15, 25, etc. The print, export CSV, and refresh icons are located on the bottom left-hand side of the page. The items count is located towards the right of these icons and counts the individual lines in this report. Well, that's all there is to this video. We hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click like at the bottom of the page. Goodbye for now and have a great day.